If you're a software developer, maybe you thought like me. Hopefully, it's not just me, but I remember when I was terrified that AI would replace me, replace us. Like, there's a reason why I stopped uploading YouTube videos for most of this year because I didn't want to push people to learn code when I thought we'd be replaced very soon. Until I actually had a bug that I ran into, and it changed everything about how I saw AI. So what happened is I was building this app for a presentation I have to give at a conference. It wouldn't run a Python file, so I asked ChatGPT Codex to tell me what was wrong. The thing is, it kept trying to rewrite my entire Python file over and over again. It couldn't figure it out, and now I'm like, what is going on here? So eventually, I stopped vibe coding. I actually looked at the terminal to see the error myself. And it was simple. The problem was literally I couldn't run my file because something was already using port 8000. I could have just used port 8001 or terminate was ever using port 8000, right? Now the thing is, that's when it hit me. ChatGPT is smarter than me. ChatGPT has more knowledge than me, but it couldn't see what I saw in 30 seconds. I remember seeing this tweet from a public company CEO where he was asked about AI's impact on his engineering teams, and his answer was very interesting. He said, all right, so AI generates 20 to 50% of our code. But whatever time we save is lost in debugging and security audits. It had no impact on shipping speed. Another CEO, I forgot which CEO this was, but he claimed that AI will write 90% of our code in 6 months. It's been 9 months since he said that. It still hasn't happened. And here's what I realized. AI will replace tasks, but not developers. So I think everyone's like really asking the wrong question, which is people are asking, will AI replace developers? When the real question should be, what kind of developer will be replaced? Because when I look at my 10 years in tech, like writing code was never the hard part. Understanding what to build, why to build it, debugging intuition, communication was the hard part. That's the job. And AI just made that obvious. I think the question is not whether AI will replace you. The question is whether you're doing work that actually requires you.